Yo, what is up guys? Trent here from How to Haven, back again with another video. And today, we got an unboxing of the Oculus Rift 2019. And perhaps the last ever unboxing of this, if you believe the rumors about the Oculus Rift S, because this thing could be discontinued soon. But anyways, I bought it on Amazon, and it came in this giant box that was a little bit bigger than I thought. On Amazon, it literally had a little option about Amazon packaging or the Oculus packaging. So I kind of expected it to maybe come in its own box, kind of like Loot Crate, if you've ever seen that. But anyways, let's get to it. This is what it looks like once you open it on the inside. It's pretty much stuck in there in a box with some padding. Okay, so I pulled it out of the box, and it's very deceiving. This looks like a handle, but it's either not or it's not working properly. But we got it in this plastic wrap, and this is what the box looks like. Pretty cool. It's got some of the games on the back. You'll see Robo Recall, which is probably the biggest one from Epic. Guys made Fortnite, and a few others. So let's open it, or take it out of this packaging. Okay, so I believe you open this by sliding it like a sleeve. So we're going to slide the sleeve off. Yep. Just how it looked. And now you get the Oculus box. Okay, this is a handle. It's just very, very hard to open from without actually taking that off first. And then you get this sleek black box. This is probably what they meant by the Oculus packaging. It totally could have just come in this, honestly. It wouldn't even need the Amazon box. I actually told them not to send it in the Amazon one, and they still did. Okay, so now I think you just open the box up from near the handle, and then it's going to lay flat. Oh, okay. So this is what we got on the inside of our box. You can see the headset right in the middle. You've got the controllers here and here. These are sensors, one here and one here, and the camera zoom's kind of going wacky, but we're just gonna kind of go through this individually now. So I'm actually gonna go from least important to most important. So I'm gonna start with this. Comes with a little thing that says if you got trouble setting it up, contact us here. Always nice if you can't figure it out. And then it comes with this box, which I'm gonna assume is the instruction manual, which it does seem like it is. It says to set up your Rift, please go to oculus.com/setup, and then it comes with some starter stuff, mainly some AA batteries. You got a couple Oculus stickers here. We've got what looks to be, I would say, a screen cleaner, Oculus branded. I don't know if you can see that. It has a little O there. And then this thing. I have absolutely no idea what this is. And then finally, you get a little thing on the side that tells you what everything is in the box. So actually, let's find out. Audio tool. So I'm going to have to assume that this has something to do with adjusting the audio or the headset and how they fit on you or something like that. And then we got this instruction manual. So the next thing I'm going to pull out of the box is the sensor. There's two of these in the box, and they are what kind of creates the game world around you. And a lot of people say in a small space that 2 is fine. If you have a larger space, you're going to want 3. I actually got 3 with this. I bought an extra one, which I'll do another video on, just to see how it would work. But the standard one does come with 2, and they're strapped in very nicely. It's very, very high quality box, very high quality packaging, and I assume you got to stand right here with a USB, and I assume you can just put it down, and that's your sensor, and that's how it works, easy enough. Next we got our touch controllers. Now these are new. These actually used to come with Xbox controllers, I believe. And now they have their own, very intuitive. And we got It's hard to see there. We've got B and A on this one. It's hard to see on the camera. And then we've got X and Y on this side. Just like Xbox, each has a joystick, and one has an Oculus button. This one has an Oculus button right here. And this is what looks like a start button right here. And they've got triggers right there. Some buttons, and then we've got other triggers right there. Your index finger and your middle fingers. And then finally, they've got wrist straps, kind of like the Wii controllers. I don't think I'll be using these, but nice to have the option. And the joystick feels nice, and it feels really good to grip. Yeah, you know how it is. Okay, last but certainly not least, we've got the headset itself. And this is what it looks like. It's plain black, and it says Oculus on the top in black. Right about there. Pretty hard to see, but it does. And we've also got this cord that comes with it. It's a USB. Quite long. I'm going to assume that's how you connect it to the computer, because you do have to power the Rift with your desktop. And yes, that is connected to the headset. And then finally, we've got headphones. Now, if you bought the Go, they do not come with headphones. So this is something that the Rift has, which is a bit different. Yeah. So that's pretty much it. There's nothing left in the box. Other than you could use it as a carrying case. It looks rather sturdy, honestly, and it's quite nice. And I should show the back. You have these little things covering the lenses that say no liquid cleaners, no sunlight on lenses. And I'm just going to put it on real quick. See how it feels. Definitely needs some adjustment on my part. I gotta imagine there's a strap right here, which you can use to adjust it pretty easily. I definitely have a bigger head than whoever they thought was going to buy this. So I'm going to adjust it a bit. And there's also, you got straps on the side right here, on both sides, that you can also unhook to tighten and or loosen. Although, it is a bit hard to tell how exactly. Oh, you pull the thing back. So once you actually unstrap it, you pull like this on either side. So I'm going to unstrap this one and just pull it back a bit and find a good fit for me. Okay. This is what's good, and then I'll just strap it back up here. And did I get up here? I did get up here. All right. It smells really good too, like a new car. So it's pretty easy to adjust, and it feels really comfortable off the first bat. There is one more thing right here. It's like a slider of sorts. Or I think it's a button. No, it's a slider, and it adjusts the inner eye like that. Anyways, guys, that was my unboxing of the 2019 Oculus Rift. I got it from Amazon. And I don't believe they'll be making any more of these anytime soon after they run out of this next stock. Don't quote me on that. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, leave a comment, and if you really enjoyed or it really helped you kind of figure out what you wanted to figure out, really consider donating to my Patreon. It really helps me make more videos like this. Yeah, and maybe consider donating your firstborn.